Hey, Ben Kaiser here, jobsinthefuture.com, and you're interested in data analytics. And specifically, you want to know what the top analytics skills are that are in demand. First of all, you're going to want to have an understanding of the sector that you're going to be entering into analytics within, whether that be business or medicine. You need to know details about that industry. So let's take business, for example. So say you are going to be helping a company market a product. Now, you need to know within the demographic, within a certain area, who's going to be interested in that product. You're going to want to dig through the data, be able to understand and translate that data to help the company advertise, market, and just communicate the product to that demographic of person. Now, if you have an understanding of that industry, this will help you with your data analytics skills. Okay, secondly, you're going to want to have a mathematical aptitude. You're going to want to know how to work mathematics. Now, the reason being is you don't want to have guesswork when it comes to data. You want to give a company exactly the correct data that will help them accomplish the goal. If you give them faulty data off of guesswork, you're going to end up wasting the company thousands, maybe even millions of dollars. So guesswork is out of the picture. Have a strong understanding of mathematical skills. All right, thirdly is the technical skills. Now, mathematics, just mentioned, is really only about 20% of data analytics. The big mass of data analytics comes in with the technical skills. It's about 80% of it. Now, the technical skills are going to be skills like R, or understanding how to work Hadoop or MySQL. So these are skills that you're going to possess in order to make sure that you can take this information and apply it on a mass scale. So for instance, say you want to know a few customers, how they're going to buy a product, how they're going to react, what kind of the ratios are in their buying habits. That's pretty easy. You can grab a pen and paper, you can kind of just work through it, and you can come up with some statistics fairly quickly. But mass scale, consider mass scale. How hard would that be to take a piece of paper and calculate millions of people? That's just, it's impossible. So that's where the technical skills of data analytics are going to come in strong, being able to scale. All right, lastly is communication skills. Now, think about trying to explain to a regular layman how to understand the data that you've brought before them. You're going to talk about how you brought that data in, you scrubbed it, you used Hadoop, you translated with this R, and then you turned out this algorithm. That's how all this jargon. I mean, he's going to look at you like you're an alien because technically you are. You're in a completely different industry, but you're trying to help this company succeed. So you need to understand how to communicate efficiently through PowerPoint and just having good presentation skills. So those are the 4 skills that you're really going to want to hone in on when it comes to data analytics. And this is an incredible opportunity to be pursuing. And I'm so glad that people are stepping up to this because this is where you can land a job now and in the future. The coolest thing about data analytics is there's companies willing to train you on this subject. But the key is, I would say, if you really want to get that job, is getting an understanding before you head to that market, before you head to the job interview. So that way, when you get there, you're already a cut above the other applicants. Thanks for tuning in today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of our videos. We have different stuff on data analytics and the difference between data analytics and data science. So head on over, check things out. And also, jobsinthefuture.com will get you started with online courses, and that will help you develop those skills that you need to get a job in data analytics. We'll see you here on the next episode.